But we do know that as societies and cultures get wealthier, then animal protein becomes more and more demanded, in more and more demand. And so that being the case, feed grain use continues to climb up to the latest recorded date. And so this is a problem that will need to be considered, I think, as you think about the state of food security going forward. The wealthier people will be able to afford animal protein. Those who are not so wealthy will not.
Well, if you consider, I mean, the prices, like the poultry industry has developed very much in Pakistan, for
Yeah.
example. And if you consider the prices of these poultry products with other sources of proteins like these beans and dals,
Yeah.
to me, I mean, it's almost equivalent. Even the poor man has an access to poultry products.
Okay. The rule of thumb that I'm aware of is that it takes, and somebody may know this better than I do, but 10 kilograms of wheat produces 1 kilogram of protein, animal protein. Is that approximately correct?
I mean, a lot of water input and this feed in terms of feed.
Yeah.
You feed the poultry and these animals. I mean, there's a lot of input.
A lot of
In terms
inputs.
lot
Yeah.
of inputs.
But I think he's comparing with the prices of pulses. So
Pulse.
in chicken currently in this winter, and I think this was a special case where the price become to 100 and 110 per kg. But normally it's 300 and 250.
No,
so
if
I
you
think
look-
still it's expensive.
Annual average, it's comparable with vegetables and on the average, if you go and survey household survey, I mean, the general people, general population out there, they prefer to eat chicken. I mean, it's just because of not much difference in prices. Even the vegetable prices, they have gone a bit
Potato
higher.
is 30 rupees per kg. Chicken is 150.
Well, I think the other issue is how does all of this fit into an agroecological production system? The other concern is the rice-wheat cropping system that's dominant in the Punjab and other places. This is a paper that was published in 1996 by Peter Hobbs and Morris, and I'm sure you're familiar with the rice-wheat cropping system. Sorry. Most analysts believe production increases will be hard-pressed to keep pace with even modest growth in demand, fueled by rising incomes. Researchers thus face a formidable challenge to feed large numbers of people from a dwindling land area. So I'd always hoped to find the time to compare production in particular, I think, in Pakistan and India in 1996 through to 2015. But I didn't get around to that. But the real question is the system itself sustainable? And can it even provide for additional production increases? I think this is something that I think we flagged up on the list of topics for you to think about when we get together and sit down and talk about food security.